Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I created this beautiful eye makeup look. And if you want to know the products and how I apply the products for the face makeup, that video will be linked down below. Also, I'm going to add some cards throughout the video. And this is all. Let's start with this one. Bye, see you at the end. First, I'm going to apply P. Louise base in color Rumor 02. And using the P. Louise brush, I'm going to distribute this base all over the eye area that I will be working with. I'm going to include my under eyes because I am planning to add that area into the eyeshadow now. Now using a Anastasia Beverly Hills brush and the color Summertime. And I'm going to apply this one as my first color in the crease area. Now using a different Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, A14, I'm going to apply the color Sunset. And I'm going to apply this color like half in the previous color and half in Clean Skin. Now I'm going to apply the color Cocktails. And again, using the same technique, part of the eyeshadow in the outer part of that previous shadow and the other part of the shadows in the blunt skin or clean skin. It's just to blend the previous color with the new one. And finally, using a different Anastasia A14 brush, I'm going to apply the color Paradise. I am just adding a little bit more of Summertimes. Then Sunsets. Just trying to avoid harsh line in between the colors. Cocktails. And finally, Paradise. Now I'm going to use a Sigma L06 to cut half of the crease or do a half cut crease. Just clean that area. And using a cotton swab, just dry that area. And I'm going to add a little bit more of the P. Louise base. Now using a MAC 242S, I'm going to add the color Living to the inner part of the eyelid. And basically, I'm packing the color. And I'm going to add this one in a diagonal way. Now I'm going to use a Sigma E57 brush to add the color Sunsets in a diagonal way too, or diagonal application, and just pack the color too. Then you can blend it, but first pack it. Pack that color, and then now I am just blending one color into the other. Packing the color and blending the color. Now I'm going to use a Sigma E32 to add the color Summertime. To add a little bit more of that color into the outer V, just to blend that color with the previous color. Now I'm going to use Wicked Gel Eyeliner from Sigma, and I like to take the color with the brush. This one is a Sigma E11 brush. Like, remove the excess from the brush on the back of my hand and basically apply the liner. In order to make my gel liner a little bit like more liquidy, I like to add a little bit of Inglot Duraline to the gel eyeliner. I'm going to clean that area under the line using my Garnier cleansing water, and I'm going to clean it a little bit. I'm going to add a little bit more of the P. Louise base to the back of my hand using the Sigma L06. I'm going to take a little bit of this and add a little bit of that base here in the area that I just cleaned. And maybe we will not be able to finish or do this from the first try. So I am just trying to do my best, and if I need to redo it, I would redo it. So now I'm going to use a Sigma E17 and the color Living. So I am just packing this color here. I'm going to basically try to finish the eyeliner. application. I hope that the camera is not focusing on the eyeliner and blurry all this. Now using a little bit of Garnier cleansing water, I'm going to clean the area of the eyeliner. And I have been quiet because you need a lot of concentration so you don't mess up everything. I am adding the gel eyeliner to the waterline and also in the top area. I'm going to use this art brush. This one is 3-0. I'm not sure if that is the way that you can identify them. I assume that's correct. I'm going to clean a little bit this area here. And this area here. And basically using the same brushes, the Anastasia Beverly Hills A14, I'm going to apply the same color in the same way. So first, summertime. Then sunsets. And we can clean a little bit after we apply the foundation and everything, so it looks more smooth. Cocktails. And Paradise. I'm going to use a little bit of Holiday. This one is a black color. To intensify the black in my waterline. This is the mess that you do in your hand when you are doing makeup. So if you're not doing that mess, you need to learn how to do it. Okay, now I'm going to clean the mess that I have here. And I'm coming back after I do my face makeup. I'm going to use this ABH brow gel. Now I'm going to curl my lashes. I'm going to put back the colors that I just removed while I was adding the concealer. First, I'm going to add Summertime using the ABH A14 brush, the same brush that we used before. Then Sunset, then Cocktail, and finally Paradise. Now I'm going to use my mascara base from Lancome. I love this mascara base. I am not going to stop telling you guys how amazing this base is. It's beautiful how this extend your lashes. It's so beautiful. Crazy. This is crazy. I'm going to add Roller Lash from Benefit. Put it in the base and then drag it. Base and then move up. Base, move up. Base, move up. I'm going to do like a little bit of fine tunes activity with the eyeliner. So this is all, guys. I hope that you like this one. I hope that you learned something. And if you like this one, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to smash that notification bell so you get notified every single time that I upload a video, which I try to do it every single Friday from 6 to 9 p.m. And if you like to see the products and how I apply them for the face makeup, the video will be linked at the end of this video. And this is all. Have a beautiful, blessed, and happy weekend. Bye.